In this video, I'll show you how to get Hinge back after being banned. First, remove the Hinge app from your phone completely. This deletes cached data and leftover files tied to your banned account. Next, reset your device's advertising ID, or, if possible, perform a full factory reset. This step reduces the chance that Hinge can track your old device profile. Now, create a brand new email address and use a fresh phone number. Do not reuse the same details linked to your banned account. Otherwise, Hinge may detect it right away. After that, reinstall the Hinge app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, sign up using your new information, and start building your profile again. Make sure to change your profile details slightly. Don't upload the exact same photos or copy your bio word for word. Use different pictures, adjust your bio, and keep it natural. Remember, bans usually happen if your profile gets reported, contains fake information, or violates Hinge's community guidelines. To avoid being banned again, follow the rules, interact respectfully, and keep your account genuine. And that's it. That's how you can get Hinge back after being banned.